This time I'm in the unique situation of knowing that this is going to take a long time, and so I began the process of aggregating the polygons, or amalgamating the polygons, before I started the tutorial. Long story short, I have urban area data from the US Census for the bit of the eastern seaboard here in the United States. And as you can see, it's way too detailed, and particularly even at this scale it's too detailed. And so depending on your purpose, it might be best to amalgamate some of these urban areas so that you lose some of the detail, but as you zoom out, it's clear where people are really living and where they aren't. In order to do this, I went here to Generalization, Aggregate Polygons. Again, it's called Amalgamation in cartography, but Esri has its own way of naming things sometimes. And clicked on it, selected my urban areas file, selected an output measurement, and I also selected an area, 10 miles I think I chose, in which anything within 10 miles should be amalgamated. Now, the problem is I think that might have been a little small. So you live and learn. We'll see what this ends up with in a little bit. Okay, so it just finished. It took about 5 minutes. And as you can see, it's not the prettiest thing ever, but it certainly did get rid of a lot of detail, and a lot of the smaller places simply disappeared. Now, the next thing we could actually do here is we could smooth out some of these lines, because notice that it doesn't make the urban areas look that appealing. So let's go back here, and I already showed you guys how to do this with a line, but let's go to Smooth Polygon. And we'll double click this. Whoops, well, I goofed that up. Let's go to Amalgamated Urban Areas. And let's use, and let's hit OK. And that worked a little bit. You'd probably want to touch this up, but it's looking a little bit more organic and a little bit better. Well, it depends what you mean by better, I guess. But from a distance, it would be better. We could amalgamate this further, as you can see all those little areas in there that could be deleted. But again, playing with generalization, you can really make the data of your map clearer, or at least, maybe this isn't clearer, but it's definitely simpler. Thanks.